Okay, students, now I am reading the next few lines of the poem. Therefore, on every morrow are we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth, spite of despondence of the inhuman dirt, of noble natures of the gloomy days, of all the unhealthy and overdarkened ways, made for our searching, yes, in spite of all, some shape of beauty moves away the pall from our dark spirits. So let me explain it. Therefore, on every morrow. So, on every morrow, the meaning of morrow is day, that is tomorrow or the next day. So, here the poet says that it is beauty alone that keeps us going on this earth. Beauty is a kind of flowery band that binds us to this earth. We are looking for lovely things around us and establish a close bond with the earth and nature. So, let me read the next line. Spite of despondence of the inhuman despondence means what? That is unhappiness, loss of hope. So spite means in spite. So here the poet wants to say that in spite of despondence, that is in spite of the unhappiness that is there in our earth, that is our life is full of in despondence, our life is full of unhappiness, there is so much grief to in the world, that because of beauty which helps us to survive in this earth and we can continue our life as well. So there is depression, there is pain, there is suffering everywhere in this earth, and everyone in this earth is facing trouble. No one can say that his or her life is full of happiness. There is no sadness in his or her life. But we cannot give end to our life. So we have to continue our life, and on what basis and what attracts us most, that is the beauty attracts us to survive in this earth. So we are here for to continue our life with the help of the beauty that persists us to go forward in our life. So here then in the above two lines, the poet John Keats wants to say that beauty is a kind of flowery band that binds us to this earth in spite of our sorrows and miseries in our life. In this earth, everyone's life is full of sorrows and suffering. So we have to continue, cannot put an end to our life. Though there is sorrows, there will be happiness. This is the cycle of our life. A person's life cannot be full of sufferings, as well as a person's life cannot be full of happiness. Our life consists of both the things, that is sorrows and as well as happiness. So we have to follow our path, we have to carry our life with the help of the beauty that is there in this earth. Looking for the lovely things, we can survive. Looking at the lovely things that is there in this earth, looking at the beautiful nature, we can move forward, we can continue our life by not putting an end to our life. So beauty is the most important thing in our life that helps us to move forward. So I think these two lines are clear to you. So now I am moving towards the next lines. So despondence, as I have told, despondence is clear to you. Despondence means unhappiness, loss of hope. So of noble natures of the gloomy days. Of noble natures. Here the poet John Keats wants to say that there are very few people who really have a noble heart. It is very difficult to find such people in this earth now. Very few people who really have a noble heart. So man's life is all gloomy. Gloomy means that is their life is filled with unhappiness, their life is filled with suffering. So no one's life, as I have told, no one's life is full of happiness. Life is a continuous process, and continuous process of what? Continuous process of happiness as well as sorrows, mixture of happiness as well as unhappiness. So there is no happiness all around. Now we can find that in this earth, most of the people say that they are not happy. So why? Because it is very difficult to find nice people in this earth. So here the poet says that there is lot of pain and suffering all around us. This pain and suffering can only be overcome by enjoying the happiness that the beautiful thing provides us. That is, by looking at that beautiful thing. Say, for example, if we look at a beautiful flower, we at once forget the unhappiness that we have in our heart. So we, at that time, we becomes very much happy, we becomes very much joyful. So unhappiness can be recovered by seeing the happiness in the sense that we can, by seeing the beautiful things, by seeing the beauty the nature has provided us, we can at once forget our unhappiness, we can at once forget our disappointment, our pain, our agony, our suffering that is there in our art. So what helps to move forward in our life? That is the beauty of this of this particular art. Nature has provided beauty, so by looking at that beautiful things, we can move forward and carry our life to the next day, that is tomorrow, so that we can fulfill our dreams in future. So here the poet says that in spite of all these things, in spite of all the miseries, in spite of all the sufferings that is there in our heart, so we can move forward, we have to move forward. And how we are moving forward? By looking at the beauty, by getting attracted, by seeing the beautiful things that is there in this earth. So say the next line: made of all the unhealthy and overdarkened ways. Overdarkened ways means what? That is, our life is filled with mysterious things. Mysterious things are happening. Each and every day we are facing problems. No one can say that his or her life is without any problem. So each and every day we are facing problem. So how we have to overcome this problem? We have to overcome this problem with the help of the beauty that nature has provided to us. Made for our searching. So what we are searching for? We are searching for life, we are searching for the next day with the hope. Made for searching. What we are searching? As I have told, we are searching with the hope that we will be able to overcome these difficulties. Yes, in spite of all, some shape of beauty. Some shape of beauty. Some shape of beauty means what? The beautiful things the nature has provided us. We can move forward, we can continue our life. Some shape of beauty, that is the beautiful things that the nature has provided us, moves away the pall. Pall means what? That is the unpleasant situation, that we are having unpleasant situation in our life. Each and every person in this world is facing unpleasant situation in his or her life. We have to overcome this situation, we have to overcome this unpleasant situation. So what helps us to overcome this unpleasant situation? That is the shape of beauty, that is the beautiful things. The beautiful things the world has given, the nature has given, the nature has produced. So with the help of these beautiful things, we have to overcome our unpleasant situation that we are facing in our daily life. So from our dark spirits means what? Sad or dejected heart. Sometimes we become very much sad and sometimes we feel happier. So our life is composed of both the things, that is sadness as well as happiness. So we have to overcome this situation. So the poet says that there are many mysterious happenings that man fails to understand. We do not understand the happenings, what will happen in our future, what things we have to face in our future. So in spite of all the unhappy things, man continues to live on this earth because of the good things, because of the beautiful things nature has produced. Then he cannot depart from this earth. That is, we cannot, as I have told, we cannot put an end to our life. As we are not happy, sometimes we don't feel happy, so at that very moment we cannot put an end to our life. We cannot take any drastic situation of putting an end to our life. So we have to overcome the difficulties. So how we have to overcome the difficulties? We have to face the situation. And how we have to face the situation? With the hope that the next day, the tomorrow that will come, we will have a good morning. That is, we will have good situation, we will have pleasant days. The hope is that pleasant days, the happiness will come and sadness will depart from our life. We never have to depart from this earth when we have to face sadness, when we have to face disappointment in our life. So here the poet says that there are so many situations will come, bad things will happen, agony will come, pain will be there in our heart, but we have to survive and carry forward our life. We have to fulfill our duties, we have to move forward, we have to carry out our daily activities each and every day, so that we can move forward, we can continue our life in a better way by focusing our attention towards the beautiful things the nature has ever produced. So what gives us hope to survive in this world? That is the beauty the nature has ever produced. So these are the most important lines of the poem. So I think you have understood this particular line. So the most important thing that you have to remember is that beauty is very much important in our life, and we have to overcome each and every difficulties in our life by staring at the beautiful things which we come across.